Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I live in an area where fishing is big. So my husband and I decided to start getting into it. This is a 2-piece fishing pole set by THKFISH, and it was the perfect starting kit for us. It comes in this awesome bag. It's got grabbers, pliers, all you need as far as bait and hooks, an easy to attach reel, fishing line, and telescope fishing poles. All you do is just take off the guard and pull it out. The reel attaches so easily, and as you add the line, make sure you put enough tension so that it reels really tight and secure. Then once your lure is set, you are ready to start fishing. This was perfect to take on our backpacking trip. Our friends are big into fishing and was truly impressed with the quality of all of the pieces that you put together for this fishing rod. It's easy to set up, easy to transport as you're moving from spot to spot around the lake. Between the three of us, we did actually catch a fish and was able to enjoy it. But even if you don't catch a fish, it is just relaxing being out there on the lake and enjoying all the beauty around you. It comes with so much a variety of baits and hook. The pliers allow you to switch it out easily. And it was just so easy to cast, to reel. We really just enjoyed using this so much. And then when you're done fishing, it's easy to just put that telescope rod down, hook the line, and it even has an awesome feature on the reel where you can push the handle down and put it back in the bag. And that's my point of view.